Are you looking for free ways to create viral AI avatars for your faceless YouTube and TikTok videos? Then you're in the right place. Channels like 10x Income and Digital Income Project get lots of views by using these AI avatars to keep their audience engaged. I have researched all the free methods to create these AI avatars, and today I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI avatar. Let's jump in. There are two ways to create these AI avatars. You can create your characters with a face mask or without. And in this video, I will show you both. And you can choose the one that works for you. Let's get started with the first method. In this method, I will show you how to make your characters look more like anime characters with flat illustrations, like these. And you can follow the next method if you want your characters to be more realistic like this. For both AI avatars, we are going to use a free AI image generator called Leonardo AI. I also put the prompts I used in the description below. Let's start with the first image. Go to Google, write Leonardo AI, and click on the first result. Next, create a free account. With this free account, you can get 150 credits to generate your images. Before generating your image, make sure to use these tips. Make the AI model Leonardo Vision XL. On the left side, change the number of images to 4. This way, you can get more images to choose from. Next, go to Image Dimensions and change the dimension to 1024 by 768. Next, use this prompt to create an image similar to mine, but remember to make it different so that you can have a different version. After writing your prompt, just click on Generate. If you liked one of the 4 generated images, you can make similar images by downloading the one you like and re-uploading it. To do this, just download the image. And after that, click on Image Guidance and upload the image that you downloaded. Next, set the strength to 20%. The higher the strength, the more similar the images will be. After doing this, click on Generate. Do this more time and experiment with your prompt and images. And after you get the image you want, click on the image. Now before downloading it, click on Upscale to enhance it. After that, just download it to your device. Next, let me show you how I generated the second image. For the second image, you just need to use this prompt. After that, just need to follow the previous steps to generate your image. But remember, in order to animate your AI avatars, your character's face must be clear and easy to see. With that in mind, let's animate your characters. To animate our AI avatar, we can use a free character animator website called Artflow AI. Just create a free account to get started. After that, click the button that says Create a Video. Then click on Uploads and upload the image you generated. When you do that, the AI will start detecting a face. And you know your image is good if the rectangle covers your face like this. If not, you might not get the best animation. Next, enable the animation on the screen. After enabling your animation, you can add your script down here and choose your voice over on the right corner. And lastly, if you want movement in the video, you can add effects. It has zoom in, zoom out, and more. After finishing up your video, just go to the left corner. Click on Export and Animate. Give your animation a name and wait for it to finish. After it's done, you can download the video down here. Now, if you see the downloaded video, it has Watermark. Let's remove that. But before that, if you're getting value from this video, please consider subscribing. It will help me grow this channel. To remove the watermark, we use a website called Online Video Cutter. You can find the link in the description below. After going to the website, click on Video Tools, then scroll to the button that says Remove Logo from Video. After that, click on Open File and upload your video. Next, select the logo you want to remove and drag the timeline to not include the Artflow AI end screen. Next, click on Save and download the edited video. So you are done. This is the first method on how to create your AI avatar with a face mask on. Now, let's move on to the second method where you can add a talking mouth to your AI avatar just like this. To do this, you need to download a green screen of talking mouth. You can find it on YouTube. Just search talking mouth green screen, scroll through YouTube, and download the one you like. Next, just generate another AI avatar like I showed you before, but make sure to remove the mask from the prompt and generate your image. And to animate our character and remove the green screen background, we can use CapCut Online. Just go to CapCut, click on Edit Video Online. After that, you need to create a free account. Next, upload the image and green screen video. You also need your voice over for your character. You can use 11 Labs for that. After uploading all your files. First, drag your image to the timeline. Next, drag the green screen talking mouth video to the timeline. After that, click on Smart on the right side and click on Remove Backgrounds. Then turn on the chroma key, click on Color Picker, select the green color, and increase the intensity until the green color fades. After that, adjust the talking mouth to your character's face. Then you need to cut the green screen video so that it matches up with your image. To cut the green screen, just drag the timeline to where the image ends. Then hit Ctrl B and delete the rest. If there is this audio in the talking mouth green screen you downloaded, just remove it by right-clicking on it and then clicking on Separate Audio. After that, just delete the audio. And if the video is too short, you can make it longer by copying both the green screen video and the image and connecting them together. After that, add your voiceover, watch the video one last time, and click on Export in the right corner to download the video. That's it. Congratulations, you have created your first AI avatar. I have shown you both methods on how to create your AI avatar. Choose the one that works for you, and if you have any questions, just ask me in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share the video so other people can benefit from it.